To make this effect, I have chosen Instagram post square format as my canvas, and I have chosen this image, and let me make this image to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and I will make it bigger like this, and just zoom out a bit so that I can make it more prominent, and like this. Okay, so our image is ready. Now we need to use the text here. I will go to add a heading, and here I will write style. So I have written style, and the size will be 172. Okay, and the spacing will be 0.93. Okay, and after that just place it here like this. Okay, I will just cut the text and add page to add it here. Okay, and I will download both the pages. Click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, and just download both the images. Now just re-upload both the images, and as you can see it is uploading here in the upload section. So the upload is complete now. Now we will bring it to the canvas. So this one and this one, and after that we will go to apps here, and here I will write blend. Click on blend image. Make sure you choose the bottom layer as the text layer and the top layer as this image. So as you can see it has blended here, and just go to add page and add to design, and just make it size bigger, and just cover it to the whole of the canvas because we have made it to the same size here. Just copy it and paste the photo here, and again just adjust it here, and right click and click on layer, send backward, because we want to highlight the text. But as you can see here with the text, a white background is coming here, so we'll click on BG remover. Okay, so after using BG remover you can see that the text is not visible. So to make it visible, I will click on edit, scroll down to find shadows, and here in outline, and scroll down here. As you can see the size is 25, make sure it is in 15, and the color to be white. Okay, and just wait for the text to get highlighted. So as you can see the text is highlighted. Now crop the image a little so that the text comes like this. So the next step is go to text again and click on add a heading, and here write the era of, and here make it right here, and just change the size to 32 to check. Let's make it size bigger. So 42 looks good. Okay, just place it here and change the color to white. Okay, and bring it again here, there write beauty, and for this change the font here, just write script, and here scroll down. As you can see there are many script, and just check which one looks good. So this one is looking good, this pinion script, and let's make it size bigger to 72, and like this. Okay, so now we will make some final touches here. So for that I will go to elements, and I will use this line shape, and I will bring the line to the top right here, and just hold on to shift to create a straight line like this. Okay, duplicate it, rotate it to 90 degrees, and after that just place it right here, and again hold on to shift to make a straight line. Okay, like this, and again bring this one, duplicate it, and just paste it right here. Okay, and change the stroke color to white and click on change all. So as you can see, the portrait is created here, and you can create similar portrait like this in Canva and very easily. So hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you.